Hello friends, Namaskar. Let's understand NCRT class 9th, chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Genre, biography of a famous scientist Albert Einstein, born on 14th March 1879, Ulm, Germany, died on 1955 at the age of 76. Father, Hermann Einstein. Mother, Pauline Einstein. Wife, Mileva Marek, married in 1903, and second wife, Elsa, his cousin. Birth, the discovery of nuclear fission in 1938. Theory of relativity in 1905. Formula which describe the relationship between mass and energy. Formula E equal mc square. General theory of relativity in 1915, which administered a new description of gravity. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1921. Some facts about Albert Einstein. His headmaster told him, foolish to his father, till 2.5 years old he could not talk. Her mother said him, freak means sunky. His playmates often say him, brother boring. Thanks for watching.